Hi, I'm Matt Clements. I'm a fourth-generation realtor and a former professional surfer that grew up in my hometown of Laguna Niguel. I literally saw our beautiful community transform from empty rolling hills into big, beautiful homes. And what I love best is that I saw every single development built right in front of my eyes, and I have friends all over the city. And what that means to you is that we have professionals all over the city that we work with on a regular basis. So think about it. If you have a housekeeper need, electrician, plumber, junk removal, photographers, videographers, pool guy, anything you can imagine, we have people that we love and trust that do that specific duty that will help you and give you a great rate as well. Our clients love that we have a team of professionals and we're fast at returning calls, voicemails, emails, and text messages, and also that we help them earn more money at the end of their sale. And that's the difference between the Clements Group and everyone else, is that we're trusted, we're locals in the area, and we're super reliable, especially when it counts. And that's what we bring to the table, 4 generations of experience and knowledge that goes directly to you, the consumer, so that you become the winner. Remember, it's all about your goals. That's what we do. We help you win, every time.